Hello, and welcome to our channel Vicky Dream Home. Your kitchen is your home's first impression. Make it unforgettable. Stay tuned for the top design ideas to instantly elevate your curb appeal. Struggling to make your small kitchen feel bigger? Today, I'll show you 10 genius hacks to maximize space and style, even in the tiniest kitchens. Plus, we'll take a sneak peek at Cristiano Ronaldo's stunning kitchen for some luxury inspiration. Let's get started. Vertical storage solutions. When counter space is limited, look up. Use wall-mounted shelves, magnetic strips, or hanging pots and pans to free up your workspace. This creates a second layer of functionality in your kitchen, keeping it tidy and stylish. Multifunctional furniture. In small kitchens, every piece of furniture should do double duty. Think foldable tables, pull-out cutting boards, or benches with hidden storage. These upgrades not only save space, but make your kitchen work smarter, not harder. Drawer and cabinet organizers. Don't let your cabinets turn into black holes. Add pull-out organizers, tiered racks, or drawer dividers to keep everything tidy and accessible. Maximize every inch of your storage. You'll be amazed by the results. Celebrity Spotlight, Ronaldo's Kitchen. Now let's talk about dream kitchens. Cristiano Ronaldo's house features one of the sleekest kitchens you'll ever see. With clean lines, a spacious island, and minimalist storage, it's proof that organization and style can coexist beautifully. While his space is massive, you can still bring elements like sleek cabinetry, reflective surfaces, and neutral tones into your own kitchen to make it look and feel luxurious, even in a smaller size. Open shelving. Open shelves aren't just trendy. They're perfect for making a small kitchen feel airy and organized. Display your most stylish dishes, spice jars, or small potted plants to add personality while keeping things functional. Light color palette. Here's a design secret. Light colors make small spaces feel bigger. Use white or pastel tones for cabinets and walls. Then add pops of color with decor like vibrant dishware or a cheerful fruit bowl to keep it lively. Decluttering tips. Finally, a clutter-free kitchen is a functional kitchen. If you haven't used something in over a year, it's time to let it go. Trust me, decluttering is the ultimate hack for any small kitchen. Now that you've seen these 10 hacks, which one will you try first? And how inspired are you by Ronaldo's sleek kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. See you in the next video.